WH question words in Yoruba. What? Kíni? When? Ìgbà wo? Where? Ibo? Who? Tani? Whom? Ẹni tí? Which? Èwo? Whose? Ti tani? Why? Èéṣe? How? Báwo? Look at these examples. What did she do? Kí ni ó ṣe? What did she do? Kí ni ó ṣe? When are you coming? Ìgbà wo ni ò ń bọ̀? Why are you sleeping? Èéṣe tí ò ń sùn? Why are you sleeping? Èéṣe tí ò ń sùn? Where are you going? Ibo ni ò ń lọ? Who gave you? Ta ni ó fún ọ? Whose is that? Ti ta ni ìyẹn? Whose is that? Ti ta ni ìyẹn? How is work? Báwo ni iṣẹ́? How is work? Báwo ni iṣẹ́? Which is yours? Èwo ni tìrẹ? Whom did you ask? Ta ni ó bí? The woman with whom you were talking. Obìnrin ẹni tí ò ń bá sọ̀rọ̀. Whom appears in two forms in Yoruba. It can be tani and it can be ẹni tí. It depends on the usage.